Wow. Man. So today we are doing the
best burger challenge in town.
Battle of Best Burger. Right now we're going to make a phone call to the place called Mutts on 13th.
They're so good.
So good. I believe
both places are so good.
Definitely. I've never been to
Florida Burger and
Florida
Coffee.
Burger and Coffee, but we did a poll on Save St. Cloud. So we're gonna try out Florida Burger and Coffee. We're gonna make the phone call now to Mutts. We're going to get 2 burgers, 1 per place. We're going to do a double cheeseburger, same cook, same way, so that way we can definitely tell the difference of both places. Both with sides of fries. And we're not going to get a drink. We don't really need a drink at the moment. But yeah, we're going to make the phone call now. Calling Mutts right now. See if they answered, right?
Mutts on 13th.
Hello, can I do a pickup order for a double cheeseburger?
Give me 1 second, I'll be right with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for holding. Can I have a name for the order?
Hi, Joe.
Joe, and what would you like, dear?
Hi, can I just do a double cheeseburger combo with just no drink?
Do you want everything that comes with the burger?
We're gonna do ketchup, cheese, and that's it.
Okay.
And fries.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right, Joe, it's going to be 1371 and give us about 20 minutes, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so just got off the phone. It's gonna be about a 25-minute wait, which is gonna be okay with us. Let's go on the phone with Florida Burger and Coffee, right? Florida Burger and Coffee. Let's do the option of calling Florida Burger and Coffee. Florida Burger. Florida. Hello, can I do a pickup order for, can I do a pickup order?
Yeah, what would you like?
Hi, can I do a double cheeseburger with only cheese and ketchup on it with a side of fries?
Okay, how do you want to cook?
Well done.
Okay, only cheese and ketchup, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's about it.
Okay, what's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Can you keep... Okay. So I have a double burger just with ketchup and cheese for Joe.
Yes,
Joe.
ma'am.
Okay.
You gotta...
So yours is going to be ready between 10 or 15 minutes. You're welcome.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Where are we going?
Florida Burger and Coffee first, and then we're gonna go straight over to Mutts. Pick up both foods and come back home to do a little video.
Florida Burger and Coffee, located right here in St. Cloud, Florida. So a look at the outside of Mutts. It is a rainy day, so we won't be able to get a full view of it. It's on the corner of Minnesota and 13th Street. We got Mutts. In St. Cloud. It's your typical mom and pop hamburger shop, and we're excited to try it out. So come on, we're going to keep on going on.
All right, so this is Mutts, and then this is Florida Burger and Coffee. You can tell their fries are done a different way. Mutts is smaller, and the Florida Burger's Coffee are bigger but they're also like super crispy from what I remember. Florida Burger and Coffee's burger kind of smells like a Dairy Queen burger, like that home grilled barbecue back burger. And Mutts is like a giant gourmet burger.
All right, so battle of the best burger in town is gonna happen right now. We got Florida Burger versus Mutts on 13th. We're gonna try one burger at a time, and we're gonna try the fries at the same time. So we're gonna go one burger, one fry, one burger, one fry. Simple as that. We're gonna try it out. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna start with Mutts.
Are we?
Yeah, I guess
Doesn't matter.
you chose Mutts.
Oh. I just grabbed what was closest to me, which is Mutts.
Mutts.
Whatever's in front of me.
It is a double burger for both of them.
With ketchup.
So, with ketchup. Mm.
I've always loved Mutts.
Mm-hmm. I've always been a fan of Mutts.
They always got like a huge burger.
Yep.
They always cook it perfectly to where it's moist.
Definitely.
With a good amount of cheese, and it's always like just salty enough, but not too salty.
So, I like Mutts. I would like to apologize for the very annoying dog that's behind us. Very annoying dog. Anytime that I do go to record out here, the dog's right there. I'm very annoying. Mmm. The moistness of the bun, perfect. All right, try out the fries now. Ken's already tried them out. I actually snuck a fry, so. Mmm.
Their fries are smaller, soft with like a little bit of crunch.
Perfect combination. This, what kind of sauce is this?
It's called remoulade or something. Remoulade?
Remoulade? I don't know.
Remoulade.
But this is bang. This is a really good.
It's their onion ring dipping sauce.
Yep.
But I found it's really, really good with the burgers.
I believe it's a free of charge thing. That's what it looks like. Kind of has maybe a tartar sauce to it. I'm not sure. But very good to dip your French fries, your onion rings in with it. Just to notice that the fries are smaller. They're small French fries compared to Florida Burger and Coffee.
They're skinny.
Very skinny. Mmm. That's sauce. Would you like to move on to Florida Burger and Coffee?
I haven't had one of their burgers in years.
I've never tried their burger. Okay, gonna move on. Perfect burger. That was a really good burger from Mutts. Moving on to Florida Burger and Coffee. Never tried the burger before.
It's huge.
Nice and well done. They got ketchup on both patties itself.
Yeah,
That's
both of their burgers are gigantic.
Like I said before, it's stamped on their bun.
I mean, it's a double cheeseburger, but man, these are huge.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
That has that perfect like char grilled taste. That's good. That's real good.
That is really good. I'm not seeing any pink. No problems with the meat itself.
That's really good. I did not remember how good their burgers were.
Wow. Man, that's a really good burger. French fry time. It doesn't help that it's a cold day outside.
So everything's a little cooled down.
I'm going back to the burger.
I'll be honest, Mutts has better fries,
Yes, I was just thinking that.
but Florida Burger and Coffee has that classic charred burger taste.
Man, oh man.
That's really good.
I'm going back to the burger. we're okay with the fries, and we're gonna go with fries on the on Mutts, the burger.
They're equally delicious burgers. Mutts is definitely juicier. But Florida Burger and Coffee
has that tang to it. It has a barbecue taste.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I think it's now. I think you guys already know our predictions so far. Excuse me, I have food on my mouth.
Honestly, I would rate both of them the best burgers in town.
Best burger.
I don't think I could choose
Hands
between
down.
the two because they have two totally different tastes.
On Save St. Cloud post, someone had said coffee cup. We had gotten a coffee cup burger before.
Yeah,
Nothing
a couple
like
of
this.
times.
Nothing like this.
Coffee cup burger was kind of bland. It wasn't a great burger. It was just a burger.
Someone said Frankie's. I've never had Frankie's burger before.
I've never had Frankie's burger either.
But I'm glad that we went with the Mutts versus Florida Coffee and Burger. Florida Burger and Coffee.
They're both like centralized in burgers.
Definitely.
That is their main point of business.
So, what do you think? Do you think we should? I think you guys already know our prediction.
I wouldn't be able to choose.
You wouldn't be able to choose.
No, it depends on what kind of burger I'm hoping for.
I'm gonna go with Florida Burger and Coffee for the best burger in town. Fries, hands down. Mutts.
Yeah.
She can't choose. I'll choose for her.
No.
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 No. Wow.
I say if you want a damn good burger,
I'm going back to the burger.
Go to either or. They both have amazing burgers. You would definitely have to get both.
Best burger in town. Get you one.